Hello student, this is Dr. Athar Iqbal. In this lecture, I will explain the concept of credit term. We are quite familiar with this term because we have already studied it in basic accounting. But in this working capital chapter, I'm again explaining it because it plays a very important role whenever we are buying and selling goods and offering credit term to our customer or receiving credit term from our supplier. So in both perspectives, you can visit this concept. Now look at this credit term. When this term will appear on the screen, you can recall from your mind that you are already familiar 2 oblique 10 net 30, or you can write it like 210 n 30. What does it mean? So the first term 210 is indicating that let's say if I'm explaining it in the perspective of a supplier, it means that your supplier is giving you this offer that if you pay him within 10 days, he is going to allow you 2% discount. So in simple words, we can say that 2% discount you can avail if you are settling the amount in 10 days. Remember that this 10 is not indicating percentage. This is indicating the total days up to which you can avail this discount. Net 30 means if you are unable to settle this amount in 10 days, then maximum you can take 20 days more advantage, but you must settle it within 30 days. And of course, in that case, you will not be able to get any discount, because discount is only available if you are paying this amount in 10 days. So this is the first concept which is appearing, that up to 10 days, if you settle this amount, then you will avail 2% discount. If in any case, I assume that you are unable to pay it in 10 days, that what will happen? So after 10th day, no discount will be allowed by your supplier to you, but you must settle in 20 days. Student, I'm taking this 20 days with this perspective that the total days was given 30. Since 10 days already passed and you didn't pay, so further you can avail uh, maximum 20 days up to which you must settle this amount. So the entire term is explaining the concept, which is also called a credit term, that if you are settling this payment within 10 days, you will be able to get 2% discount. But in any case, if you are unable to settle it within 10 days, then discount will be lapsed and you must settle this amount within 30 days. Another illustration for you. This is again a revision of the previous one with slight change in this one. Just assume that now the situation is 310 net 45. If I only read this portion of the credit term, it is indicating that you will be able to get 3% discount, as I'm writing over here, and if you pay it within 10 days. But if you're not paying it, then you can stretch this credit payment up to 45 days. But generally it doesn't happen. Usually this kind of situation will not practically be observed in business. It is possible that your customer, or being a supplier, you are not paying in 45 days, you will stretch this amount to some more days. So what is happening here? The suppliers are paying on average in 60 days. It means that when on the 45 day, when you contact the person that pay your amount, so he or she, due to certain reasons and giving you various excuses and not able to pay you on 45 days duration, and on average somebody is paying in less days, somebody is paying in more days, but on average your business is taking 60 days to recover the amount. So we are already familiar with this one, that no discount if paid after 10 days, because 10 days was the discount term which was given, but must settle in 45 days, the total duration. If you are settling it in 45 days and not availing discount, it means that you are further taking advantage of 35 days. How I am reaching to 35 days? 35 days is coming 45 days minus this 10 days which was given here, because you can stretch this amount for the additional 35 days. But student, the interesting part in this illustration is that on average nobody is settling it in 45 days, they are settling it in 60 days. If they are settling it in 60 days, it means that they are additionally taking advantage of 50 days rather than 35 days. How come I reached to this 50 days? Very easy. Up to 10 days you will avail discount. If you are not paying in 10 days and you are stretching it to 60 days, it means that you are successfully taking advantage of 50 days. But keep in mind that of course you are availing this advantage of 50 days, but you are losing this 10% discount, because this discount was only available if you are paying it up to 10 days.